Hi everyone, happy Tuesday, it's Mimi here, and today we're going to be completing part 14 of our Vintage Blooms scrapbook album. This album features everything vintagey, floral, pastels. I just love it so much, and I think it is so beautiful and elegant. I love putting all of my baby photos, this picture's of my brother when he was little. I just love adding all of those into the scrapbook album. We're starting off with this light pink photo mat, and then underneath the photo mat I'm adding this fun little hot pink scrap that I found. I like the play of the hot pink and the light pink in this album. The hot pink was kind of like a 5-page in add-on because, I don't know, we just needed another color. Why not, And then I added all of these little pennant triangles on the top of the page so that it was going across kind of like a banner would. And on top of that little green triangle, I'm going to add that pretty pink bow. And I just think it's so cute. And honestly, I think it kind of looks like a little ice cream cone when you add the bow. So that kind of inspires me to get making some embellishments, because if you didn't see my thrift haul of all these scrapbook things that I bought from one of these, it's called Crafting for Good. It's literally a thrift store of craft supplies. I did get an ice cream die, so I have to get that out and make some more embellishments, and I'll add some cute bows to go with it, is what I was saying. I have no idea what's going on with my editing system, but I keep making little narrations and then they're ending too early, and I promise you it's not me. So I'm just gonna throw that in here right now so you guys know that if anything's weird in some of my videos when I'm talking, it's because the narration keeps cutting off on me and I have no idea why. Anyways, it's not that big of a deal. To finish up the scrapbook album, or the scrapbook layout, my bad, we're going to add on these pretty purple rhinestones, which y'all know I love. I just think they're so cute, pretty, and sparkly. And then I'll add on the photo, and you'll see me add it on with the washi tape. And I just do that because I like to take the photo off and use it for other purposes as well, since I own a business. But for my new scrapbookers, you can always use what you want. Use double-sided tape, glue, whatever works for you. But I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own, and if you want to add this layout to your own scrapbook album, you can get the printable version at the link in the description. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!